Today we come to the pasture-fed chicken farm to solve the red mite problem. Now we will enter to kill red mites. Hello our friends who raise laying hens. This laying hen farm has been built up for 15 years. After the laying hens have been raised for a long time, there will always be many headache problems. Among them, the red mite is a major headache problem. Today we will solve the red mite problem. Now we enter into the chicken coop. Open your phone. Find the video or photo function. Use zoom up function. We are going to search for the chicken red mite on the chicken cage shelf. Behind the butt of the chicken, the wet area behind the entire buttocks, is all caused by red mites. So let's go to find it. Okay, we found it. Find it on this chicken cage shelf. Take samples for later drug sensitivity test. Find the exactly effective concentration ratio. How many times to diluted can be used to kill the red mite. Let's take a sample and scrape down some red mites. Look at the sample. This glassware is full of insects and red mites. In this glassware, on the chicken cage, and there are a lot of insects on the water pipeline. This chicken cage here has insects pile up. The red mite, identified from the moving insects. The samples from the water pipeline and the chicken cage. Red mite samples have been taken. First, do drug sensitivity test. Find the efficiency of the drug. Find out the effective concentration used to kill red mites. Then applying drug. Now back to laboratory to do drug sensitivity test. At the beginning, please allow us to introduce the red mite to you. Chicken red mite, also known as Dormonis scalina. The insect body is small and appears black or brown. Mainly feeds on poultry blood. After sucking blood, the worm's body becomes larger and turns red. Now, we will start conducting drug sensitivity experiments. Observe continuously for 12 hours after applying the drug. Through the drug sensitivity experiments, we found that black insect clear, dilute at 300 to 500 times. It is efficient to control the chicken red mite. Can completely eliminate it. So today, we will use this black insect clear pretest solution at range 300 to 500 times. Now, we applying drug, spraying the diluted solution. Diluted 300 times. Comprehensively spraying on the chicken cage shelf. Also the chicken whole body needs to be sprayed and wetted thoroughly. Spraying to wet through is helpful to kill red mites. Black insect clear has been sprayed for an hour. The place where the insects pile up. Resampling again. Mainly look for the insects still be alive or not. Here, red mites stay before. Let's take a sample. Put the sample on a plain surface. Plain surface like this and check. All insects dead. Not crawling anymore.
Previously, when collecting eggs, seen many red mites, and the black insects will crawl on your body, climb up to your hand. Now after applying the medication from your company, the red mites all dead. Now working. Not worried about the red mite. Thanks your company.
This chicken coop has a history of 15 years. As before, various drugs have been used to kill red mites, but it's difficult to eradicate. The reason is that for laying hens, when using insecticides must very cautious. If not handled properly, using highly toxic insecticides can cause death, like diazinon, dichlorose, trichlorphon, amidraz and foxam. These drugs will cause the death of chickens. Besides, some customers ask, many agri-pesticides. Can we use agricultural pesticides? Agri-drugs can't be used on animals. According to rules from the Ministry of Agriculture, agri-pesticides are prohibited to use on animals. Once used, may cause illegal drug residues. Food safety problem, bring you to jail. Thus agri-drugs can't be used. Today, Shandong Luxi after decades of experience accumulate, we find two drugs have efficiency to control red mite. The Fenvalery solution 20%, our black insect clear, Malathion. These two drugs can apply on the poultry and safety for laying hens. Moreover, the black insect clear, we adopt a scientific formula. Patent packaging, make the product have a better performance. In case, prevent to develop drug resistance. Suggest alternate use of black insect clear and the Malathion. Once a quarter. 4 times 1 year. The red mite can be effectively controlled when the chicken coop is empty. Without chicken, thoroughly clean the house. Flush and scour with water or use fire to light. Then, some highly toxic insecticide can be used. For example, use trichophan 0.2% to 0.5% solution spraying, evenly spraying, or use amitraz 12.5% 300 times diluted solution. Also with good efficiency, control red mites.
Hi, friends who raise laying hens. Today we are here again. The Pastoral Egg Chicken Farm. Today is September 26th, 2023. On September 1st, we applied black insect clear. It has been 26 days ago. We checked back today to check the effects and efficiency of the black insect clear. Now, let's go to check the situation of the chicken farm. Let's search for the red mite on the water pipeline. The black pile on the water pipeline are the red mites colony place. We take some samples again. Zoom in and observe up close. There are no signs of red mite activity anymore. Proof that Luxy black insect clear, effective to killing and control red mites, long-lasting period, effectively and quickly solve the red mites problem in the chicken farms. See it by using the zooming function on your phone. Actually, the same result, no alive and active anymore. See, these insects are all dead and not alive anymore. Not a single one moving. Hi everyone, today is November 1st, 2023. We have arrived at the Pastoral Egg Chicken Farm again. Since use the black insect clear to control red mites, it's been 2 months now. Let's check the condition of the chicken farm again to survey the product performance. Let's check a few places in multiple. Very clear to see. There are no alive insects. Basically, there are no alive and active insects. Indicates the black insect clear is not only effective, and the lasting time is particularly long. Let's take an inspection of this chicken coop. The water pipes line in this chicken coop are relatively clean. We should mainly take samples at the connection point like this. Samples were scraped off from several places. We gathered the samples together. Take a closer look. Effect proved. You can directly see it's better than what we said. We have searched for many places. Again, you can rest assured to purchase our products. Hi everyone, today is December 1st, 2023. We're here at the Pastoral Egg Chicken Farm again. Since applying drugs to kill and control red mites, it has been 90 days ago. Let's enter into the chicken farm to observe the condition of the red mites. You can see that there are still no signs of insect activity. Catch and look. Check if there are red mites on the chicken body. Let's first look around the anus of the chicken. Skin is still relatively smooth. There are no signs of being bitten. We're applying drugs in September. Spray the chicken body thoroughly to wet with black insect clear. This will ensure to kill the red mites on the chicken body. Let's take a close look. Separate the feathers and check the skin underneath. Take a look on both sides. Look at this skin, it's smooth. Alive insects. What about this? Alive insects. It's very likely because we only chose the chicken coops. Applying of black insect clear. Here many equipment are public used, like egg collecting box. This may help the red mites spread through. Take a look, everyone. Let's take another round now to observe. Let's take a look at this chicken, especially under the feather. None on the chicken body. In some places of this chicken coop, found a small amount of red mites. This small amount of red mites, basically, it won't cause any loss to our laying hens. This farm has 7 chicken coops. At that time, we sprayed the coops, applying drugs to control red mites. The red mite in other chicken coops are still quite serious. Equipment and tools are public used, like vehicles. Egg collecting box are shared. This accelerated red mite spread. The effectiveness of Luxy black insect clear. Basically no problem with lasting for 3 to 4 months. That's black insect clear product performance. The effect of the 3rd month. We will continue to observe the problem of red mites in the chicken coops. Thank you, everyone.